How to blur in CapCut. Need to hide private details or add cinematic focus? Let's learn how to blur in CapCut. So first is through adding the blur effect. So add the blur effect. Click on the effects button at the top left and then use the search bar to look for the blur effect. And then on your results, go ahead and select the type of blur effect that you want to use for your video. So for example, this blur effect. Simply select it and it would be added to your video. Now, if you want to use a blur wherein you can actually define a specific area of the video, what you can do is to use mask blur. So to do that, click on your video and then at the top right you should find this video tab, and then under that you should find mask. So go ahead and click on mask, and then from here go ahead and select add mask, and then you should find the types of shapes that you can use for this. So simply set the shape that you want to use. For me, I want to use the circle shape. So simply place this on the area of the video that you want to define, and then after that, drag the scale of the feather to the right to be able to define the video. And that is how to blur in CapCut.